gauge is in the green. Everything looks good. Let's go. Brakes check. Cessna is ground, this is Cessna 172 Golf Extra Bravo Tango on apron 2 with information golf for practice area, run-up is required.
Golf Extra Bravo Tango sales camera 18, altimeter 2964, start taxing out to the left Bravo Charlie and report to run-up complete, holding short runway 1.
Holding short runway 18, Golf Extra Bravo Tango.
Bravo Tango, squawk 4444.
Squawking 4444, Extra Bravo Tango.
Ground Northway 80 on Alpha. Northway 80, ground taxi Bravo apron 4. Bravo apron 4, Northway 80.
Ground Northway 31, just taxiing on Alpha for Bravo for apron 4.
Northway 31, ground taxi Bravo apron 4.
Bravo 4, thanks.
Nice.
Aircraft is into the wind. Let's do a run-up. Steady. Transponder on alt. Cessna is ground, Extra Bravo Tango, run-up is complete.
Extra Bravo Tango, ground contact tower 118.5, holding short runway 18.
Contact tower 118.5, holding short runway 18, Extra Bravo Tango. St. Andrews Tower, Extra Bravo Tango, holding short runway 18, ready for departure.
Extra Bravo Tango Tower, stand. Extra Bravo Tango Tower, you able runway 13, wind 180 at 11. Kilo Tango Juliet Tower, exit at, will contact ground at 12 on this one.
Kilo Tango Juliet.
Golf Papa Tower, clear touch and go runway 18.
Clear full touch and go runway 18, go Papa.
Any Kilo Tower, where intention?
Any Kilo, stop and go.
Roger. Indiana Kilo Tower, clear stop and go runway 18.
Stop and go 18, Indiana Kilo.
Golf Bravo X-ray Tango Tower, line up and wait runway 18.
Extra Bravo Tango.
Center Charter Northway 900 with you, December 3000, runway 18.
Northway 900, St. Andrews Tower, runway 18, wind 170 at 9, altimeter 2963. Clear straight in, keep your speed up, you're going to overtake a Caravan at your 11 o'clock in 2 miles, inbound at 2000.
Check 2963, speed is up, Northway 900.
Northway 900 Tower, not below 3000.
Not below 3000, Northway 900.
Extra Bravo Tango Tower, traffic ahead is on a right-hand circuit, left turn out, Cloverleaf route, clear takeoff runway 18.
Extra Bravo Tango, clear for takeoff runway 18, Cloverleaf route.